The sisters of the Oni of Ifa Atuasi Enitan Oganuzi Adabimp Adisola and Fola Shade have allegedly taken over the palace, having sent the Olari Wurla Oganuzi out of the palace over various allegations. It is also reported that the trio have gotten another wife Bolanal for the monarch, and Wurla has been said to have gone of Ifa to pack her belongings. She is currently in Lagos with her family members. Unhappy friends of Olari Wurla Oganuzi just can't stand the agony their friend is passing through, and they have now come out to tell the truth on what really happened between the monarch and his queen. According to them, they are full of pity for Wurla, who just won't speak out. First they asked a question of why the oracle would send Wurla packing, having told the king to propose to and marry her in the first place. Was the oracle lying 17 months ago, or was the oracle saying Wurla was no longer the wife? They faced the king accusing of marrying the beautiful Wurla just because he needed financial support in becoming the Oni of Ifa, and he was after just her money and her connects. He was even said to have threatened her with charms, and that he had eaten a human's heart, so he has the power to do whatever he likes. They said he had even stooped so low to beating her whenever they have a little argument, as the Oni was a tempestuous person. One thing that was said to occasionally cause fight was the queen advising the king on business deals. Asked about the allegations of the queen's infidelity, they simply said it is a tradition that any man that sleeps with the queen will surely die, so how many man linked with her romantically has died? They asked about the inability for the queen to give birth, knowing fully well that the king sent out his first wife Adabizi Adabukola because she could not bear the king a child, and he married Wurla a year and 5 months ago, but she still have not conceived. They replied it was far from been true. The sisters of the Oni of Ifa Atuasi Enitan Oganuzi Adabimp Adisola and Fola Shade have allegedly taken over the palace, having sent the Olari Wurla Oganuzi out of the palace over various allegations. It is also reported that the trio have gotten another wife Bolanal for the monarch, and Wurla has been said to have gone of Ifa to pack her belongings. She is currently in Lagos with her family members. Unhappy friends of Olari Wurla Oganuzi just can't stand the agony their friend is passing through, and they have now come out to tell the truth on what really happened between the monarch and his queen. According to them, they are full of pity for Wurla, who just won't speak out. First they asked a question of why the oracle would send Wurla packing, having told the king to propose to and marry her in the first place. Was the oracle lying 17 months ago, or was the oracle saying Wurla was no longer the wife? They faced the king accusing of marrying the beautiful Wurla just because he needed financial support in becoming the Oni of Ifa, and he was after just her money and her connects. He was even said to have threatened her with charms, and that he had eaten a human's heart, so he has the power to do whatever he likes. They said he had even stooped so low to beating her whenever they have a little argument, as the Oni was a tempestuous person. One thing that was said to occasionally cause fight was the queen advising the king on business deals. Asked about the allegations of the queen's infidelity, they simply said it is a tradition that any man that sleeps with the queen will surely die, so how many man linked with her romantically has died? They asked about the inability for the queen to give birth, knowing fully well that the king sent out his first wife Adabizi Adabukola because she could not bear the king a child, and he married Wurla a year and 5 months ago, but she still have not conceived. They replied it was far from been.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Bua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And if you have a big show coming up, any events, you can call us, we're going to come. If any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Bua TV. You see there, we are always there, we are everywhere. Importantly, don't forget, just subscribe. And how to subscribe is so simple. There's a circle here written Bua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.